Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Another reason why we must love our enemies is that hate scares the soul and distorts the personality. Since love grows within you, so beauty grows, for love is the beauty of the soul. I will love the sun, for it warms my soul. I will love the rain, for it cleanses my spirit. I will love the light, for it shows me the way. But I love you most, for you are my dream come true. Go for someone who is not only proud and glad to have you, but will also take every risk and put effort just to be with you. Love is when the soul starts to sing and the flowers of your life bloom on their own. You are my perfect soulmate who brings the very best out of me. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. Don't fall in love with the face and body. Fall in love with the spirit, heart, and character. Sometimes you have to forget what's gone, appreciate what still remains, and look forward to what's coming next. The greatest thing you can give yourself is freedom from what others think. Don't judge my path if you did not walk my journey. I am a soul of love, a heart of peace, a mind of stillness, a being of light. Your heart and my heart are very, very old friends. He who is filled with love is filled with God Himself. What is planted in each person's soul will support. Please like and subscribe my channel.